Watch model, AD2040. Movement type, quartz movement. Movement model, Miyota 2115, Japan. Movement function, 3 pins, calendar, Japanese original battery. Battery model, State Route 626 Southwest. Case material, 316L stainless steel. Case process, wire drawing plus polishing. Bottom cover material, 316L stainless steel. Bottom cover type, screw in solid bottom cover. Case diameter, 41 mm, excluding crown. Case length, 48 mm. Total length of upper and lower parts. Shell thickness, 13 mm, including lenses and bottom cover. Ear position width, 20 mm. Position connecting the case and strap. Watch weight, 83.5 grams. Watch length, 260 mm. Total watch length, circumference, suitable wrist, 14 to 22 centimeters. Watch strap material, high elasticity TPU rubber strap. Mirror material, mineral glass. Mirror type, convex crystal mineral glass. Mirror coating, anti-glare blue coating. Mirror size, 30.5 * 2.5 mm, diameter * thickness. Crown type, screw in screw crown. Crown size, 7.00 mm, diameter. Bezel material, stainless steel. Baffle function, one-way rotation. Border size, 37.98 * 30.60 * 2.00 mm. Outer diameter * inner diameter * thickness. Surface color, enamel black. Surface luminescence, 240,000 kg Swiss BGW9 super luminous powder, blue light. Surface size, 29.50 * 29.00 * 29.00 0.4 mm. Line hole * surface diameter * open surface * thickness. Watch pin technology. BU Mian batch flower needle blue glow. Dial glow, 240,000 kg Swiss BGW9 super glow pink, blue glow. Pointer size, 7 * 11 * 11, hour hand * minute hand * second hand length. Waterproof level, 200 meters. Waterproof, diving, capable of washing hands, swimming, diving, meeting all daily waterproof requirements. Packaging standard, professional waterproof plastic box packaging.